Alright, good morning, Sam. Here is your 636 SA sitting on my 48 CJ2A. If we look down the center here, we'll see it's nice and dry. Everything's nice and dry outside as well. No leaks, no runs, no errors. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Wow, this is a warm restart. No drip. That's what we set correctly. Alright, let's look at some numbers. Right now, idle RPM is at about 660. Looking good. Fuel pressure, about 2.75. Looking good. Vacuum, 23 and a half. My. What a good curve. Yes, sir. That's excellent. And there's my dwell at 42. Let's pull it through a few times. All right, sir. I think you're going to like it. Thank you.